How to password protect MS Word document. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to enhance the privacy of your document by password protecting it? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your MS Word document and then head over to File in the top left. Now go to the Info tab and you can see protect document option. Just tap on it and then tap on encrypt with password. Now you just need to type in the password. Caution, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered, so it is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. And remember that passwords are case sensitive. So just put in the password that you remember and then hit OK. Now, anyone who tries to access this file will need the password. There you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.